In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install the BreeZip app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for BreeZip. Click on BreeZip. Press the Get button to start downloading BreeZip. Wait for BreeZip to be downloaded and installed. Now your BreeZip app should be installed. Now open your BreeZip app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.